Hi, my name is Michael Bowen. I'm one of the founding members here at Airstays along with Jacques and Melissa. I've just come across a video which I think it's very important for hosts to actually see. This was one of the videos we did with our accountant a while back, and we were interviewing from one of our other businesses. But unbeknownst to us, he kind of just mentioned the fact that he'd come back from holiday, and it turns out he'd stayed at one of our Airbnbs. And this is the power of automation and what it gives, and what guests feel like when they've been to one of these units. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yaku, did you have a good holiday?
I had a fantastic holiday. I stayed in the stunning apartment in Sea Point, and
really?
it was just amazing.
Did you stay in Jacques' apartment?
Yeah. It was actually coincidence. I was looking for a place, and then I saw the face, and I'm like, but I know this face. And then I heard, no, it's Jacques' place.
How did you find the automation then?
Amazing. That is mind-blowing.
That's good,
absolutely mind-blowing. Yeah, no, I'm completely blown away by the entire process and what's behind that job. That's really something.
So that was, I mean, that's Airstays, that's our other business, of course. So did it make things simple for you? I mean, obviously from a guest side, we don't get to hear this kind of stuff. So I mean,
yeah, absolutely. No.
So there we have it, straight from a person who actually stays at an Airbnb. Cape Town is known to be a very, very competitive market. If you want to automate your Airbnb, stand out from all of the rest, lower your admin, go to our site and check us out, airstays.io.